What's up, guys? It's your boy PC Reed, and this is just a quick video on iMessage crash text glitch that is going around. It is a Telugu letter and it crashes any app including iMessage, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, etc. It even works on Mac. I did it and now I can't use my Mac messages. Anyways, today I'm going to show you guys how to fix this so you guys can get back to using your Messages app again. So, first things first, you want to go to Setting, then General, then iPhone Storage, and click Messages and Conversations. Select the conversation with who sent you the glitch symbol and delete it, okay? Yes, it hurts to delete a message or a conversation at the end of the day, but it's better than not using your iPhone at all, you feel me? So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped you. And it's been your boy PC Reed, guys, and I'm out.